Today I'm starting on a big project. This is going to be a console table for my wife's grandma. Does that make her my grandma-in-law? This is going to be a classic mission style table built completely out of 4/4 white oak. It's the real deal. I expect this is probably going to take a few nights and weekends, so let's get started. Before going down to the shop, I've started designing all my furniture in SketchUp. It really helps to be able to do virtual measurements and helps to avoid some math down the road. It's going to fit under a window. It's 6 feet long by about 14 inches deep. This design is going to be a pretty traditional mission style piece of furniture. Mission style furniture has this really simple sort of linear design as well as these slats. It's really sturdy furniture. Traditionally it's also built out of white oak, which this table will be as well. Alright, we're just going to get started here by setting up the shop. You can see all the white oak stock that I have off to the left side of the screen. Really helps to have a nice sharp pencil for some exact cuts later on. Here I'm sorting the boards and deciding which pieces of wood will be used for which components on the table. Today we're going to start by just cutting out the tabletop pieces. Usually for repeated cuts like this, where we're trying to cut things to the same length, it's a good idea to use a stop block. But because these table components are 6 feet long, I don't really have the option to do that, so I'm just measuring really carefully for each cut. I'll trim later if need be. Now we're cutting off those roughs on edges and trimming the planks to size for the tabletop and for the shelf. Alright guys, that's going to do it for today. On the next episode we're going to get into cutting some more of the table components and some glue ups. Please subscribe if you get the chance so you don't miss the rest of this process. Thanks!